Moving along. Here we have three of the hurdles that I mentioned that I like. We have one right here. Once again, a bearish day, closed below the open after rallying quite a bit. If we had closed below that day's high, I would have exited another day that offered the same kind of setup, another opportunity to enter a bearish position. And then there was a third opportunity to enter a bearish position. And they all resulted, entering at any of those points would have resulted in a significant profit. It declined very nicely after that, and it's still going down.
Had you entered on the first, where would you put your stop?
I always risk a close. Close is very important to me. I would have risked a close. I take a modest enough position so I'm able to risk a close over that high, but I would always risk a close over the high of the reversal day. This wasn't my favorite setup, but it did work out well. I was pleasantly surprised that it worked out as well as it did. We had just a small breakdown of a week or so sideways range. It tried to go up again. We had an inside day that was slightly bullish, and then we broke down again. Another bearish reversal day gave me a clear hurdle. If we closed over that high, I would have felt the bulls were taking control again. However, it continued to decline at least until the end of that chart, and as some of you may know, it's continued to decline since then. Here's one that didn't work. It looked very nice to me at the time. They don't all work. Some of you probably know that. That was another wide range. Relative to the rest of the bars, that was a pretty wide range reversal, and I liked it and entered immediately. Even the next day, I was somewhat cautious or somewhat doubtful because the next day was bullish. However, I felt that it could just as easily close below this low as continue to go up. As you can see, I was wrong. And as a matter of fact, once I was wrong, that reversal bar didn't look as significant. Yes, sir.
So did you exit on that last call again?
Yes, I was only in an options position. We didn't take a big loss because it was a longer-term options position. But yes, that's the exit point. We closed above it. Okay, there were some great trade-ups this summer. We don't get setups like this all the time. When we do get them, they tend to come in bunches. When you see them, take advantage of them. If you don't see them, don't force them. Jim Rogers, a very wealthy, very successful trader and fund manager, said, "I just wait until there's money lying on the corner, and all I have to do is go over there and pick it up. Be patient, wait for the best setups." I'm sure many of you have seen Mr. Rogers.